Today I'll show you how to view your Gmail password. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Google does not display your current Gmail password inside your Google account page for security reasons. So if you open your Gmail settings and expect to find a button that says Show Password, you won't see one there. What you can do instead is check whether the password was saved on the device you used to sign in. In many cases, your Gmail password is stored in your browser, your phone's password manager, or your computer's saved passwords section. If it was saved before, you may be able to reveal it after verifying your identity. If you're using Google Chrome on a computer, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Open Password Manager and look for an entry for Google or Gmail. Click on that saved login, and your computer may ask for your device password, PIN, or fingerprint. After that, you should be able to view the saved password. If you're on an Android phone, open Settings, then go to Google and tap Password Manager. Search for your Google account, open it, and confirm your identity with your screen lock, fingerprint, or face unlock. If the password was saved, you'll see an option to reveal it. If you're using an iPhone, open Settings, tap Passwords, and verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then search for Google or Gmail in the Saved Accounts list. Tap the entry, and you may be able to view the saved password there. Now, if you don't find the password in any of these places, that usually means it was never saved on that device. In that case, you won't be able to view the existing password directly. The best option then is to reset it by going to the Google sign-in page and tapping Forgot Password. So to sum it up, you normally cannot view your Gmail password from inside Google itself, but you can often find it in a saved password manager if you stored it earlier. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.